Hello guys and welcome back to Crafty. This is Veronica and today I am back with a new video for the add-ons on section B. Now before we proceed with that, I will have to let you know of an important update I made. You remember we made this hinge half an inch, and what we had under it was only quarter of an inch. Created this section here one more time. So I did exactly the same thing, and for this you go back to the previous video because you will see everything there. I did it one more time only, with the only difference that when you attach the panels, you have to keep in mind to do it on the bottom, because the score line, the hinge of that quarter of an inch, it's here on top this time, because you have to attach it on this other part of the folio on the top, because this one, the first one that we made, we attached it on the bottom, if you remember, and because there was still space free, I made it one more time, and this time attached it to from the top, and it's coming down like this, and under them it's the whole booklet made of 4 sheets, if you remember, that go one to the right and one to the left. So that's how it's going. So we have this on the base, then this booklet in the middle, and then this one. And I have meanwhile added the magnets. So basically magnets here, magnets here on the back of this one, if you see, yes, that attached these ones here, and that's all. This is all there is. So let me see if there are any other magnets here. No, I don't think there are any other anywhere. So for today we need to take care of the add-ons for this section. On these 2 panels, on this one and on this one, I won't add any add-ons. Actually, just for this one on the back here, on the bottom, I had made a pocket for section A that I didn't get to use, and I want to use it because it's ready, prepped and all. And I'm thinking to use it here on the back of the middle section. I'm thinking to put it in here, and I think it's the perfect location, because then you know, even if we flip it back, nothing will fall off it, so that's good. And I will only apply some add-ons only on the front of the page. So basically just on this one, just on this one, just on this one, and just on this one. Nothing on the back. For page 1, simple as that. I want 2 fold-outs that are basically one A4 sheet cut in half on the length. And they measure 8 1/4 by 5 7/8. We will score them at half an inch on the short edge, and they will be going to the left and to the right. I will score here, like we said, at half an inch. I forgot to round them, but I will do it now. Around the corners. Like that, and to this I will do it before. Yes, it doesn't go over the edge. Like that should be super fine. So this is ready, page 1 is ready. Of course I will come with a magnet here, or maybe a closure to keep them in place, so I don't need magnets. Let's see. Okay, so that's page 1. Page 2, this is 6 1/4 by 6 3/4, and this is 10 3/4 by 8 1/4. We will score both of them at half an inch, and this one on the 6 3/4 at half an inch. something like that, I think it is. This one will come from under, like that, basically. Okay, so of course they will also have to be kept in place with magnet or some sort of closure. Okay, on page 3 front we have basically two halves of an A4 again, on the short side and on the short side again. Okay, so this is one, and for this one again we put it on top and basically like this, and I think it looks very nice. Okay, so this is the left, and for the last one we have A4 cut at 10 3/4 in length by 8 1/4. So guys, the way the B section looks now is simple as this. So we open this and we go like this, and then one more time like that, so it really goes much out. A lot of space for photos here. Then this comes out like this, and as I showed you in the beginning, I have created basically another instance of this, only I have attached it on the top here, on the top of the folio. Yes. Okay, so all the add-ons we have attached the bottom basically of section B, where we had our booklet with 2 pages to the left and 2 to the right intertwined, as you will see. So it's very simple. So here we've added these 2 overlapping. I will have to come back and put the magnets. Then we go to the, and only on the front of the page, by the way, nothing on the back. Then we have this one here, we have one small booklet and one big going up. That's all there is. Then we go to the right. Then we have 2 booklets like this. It's basically 2 halves of an A4 going top and bottom. Again, there will have to be some stopper to keep them together here. And on the last one, I've added just a big fold out to the left, like this. That's all I did. And in the back, nothing. There will be pattern paper. So that's basically it. We will meet next time in the next video. I hope you will join me to decorate the folio together, which is the most delicious part of all. I'm so excited about working with this collection because basically only now I get my hands on it. I had it packed since last year when I bought it, and I didn't have the time to work with it until now, and I'm extremely excited about it. So I can't wait really for the next video. I really hope you liked this video. I thank you so much for sticking with me, and I hope you thought it was watchable. And if you like my content, don't forget to, like, share, comment. It would help me a lot. And maybe even subscribe, who knows. Thanks a lot, and until next time, take care and have fun. Bye bye.